it's the eve of Hari Raya, one day before the real stuff. So I think I'm going to compile some awesome looking fireworks. Hopefully, if it focuses, I hope it focuses, motherfucker. I mean, camcorder. That's it. What the fuck? Cheap fucking motherfucking assholes, cheapskates. So I'll be doing it quite often, coming out onto the balcony, or is it into the balcony? My clothes are still drying because this afternoon I went to restaurant O&S, and on the way back here it rained and I got wet. Shit. And not in the girl sense of getting wet in the vagina. Shoes are kind of like dry already, thank God for that. Can't see that because it's dark. The LCD is telling me that. Okay, this fucking building here. Last time I would be able to see Sunway Pyramid's little top hat, and now this fucking building is blocking the way. Asshole. Fucking greedy developer bastards. You know what? This afternoon I should have shown you. It's a day of celebration, right? Everybody's happy and quite boisterous, playing with fireworks, and in the background there will be a couple of mosques around here. Yep, they are. If it's one mosque or singular mosque, it's called mosque. If it's plural, then it's going to be mosques. The mosques are fucking annoying because of their stupid blaring prayer bullshit music. It's also very depressing. Okay, when I hear it, it's depressing because there's somebody moaning and grumbling, and it's not a happy tune. It's not a happy tune at all. It's just it's something like a retarded person trying to like sing some sad fucking Britney Spears song. It's I think I can get a better karaoke singing from retarded children from some home than what. I don't think I get entertainment from hearing prayers from the mosques. And it's supposed to be a day of celebration, celebrating some fuck knows, I don't know what. I think they're celebrating Prophet Muhammad's birth or death. I'm not sure which one. Maybe it's death. Okay, never mind. Shouldn't I say that? So it's depressing. They keep on like doing that. I do not know what it's called. I only know two types of prayers: azan and solat. Azan is in the morning. They wakes me up all the fucking time. But I mean, I appreciate the nice mosque becoming or has the function of alarm clock that I do not need to pay for in terms of batteries and whatnot. It's good. It's waking me up early so I can prepare for the day. I do not know why I should wake up so early because I don't have a job. So shit. Should not talk, because if I talk, I shake. I'm not talking about it in a sense of masturbating, okay? Not that type of shake. I'm talking about the camera holding shaky thing. So it's not even 12 midnight, it's 10-11 p.m. So mosques. It's fucking annoying, it's fucking depressing. So I know only azan and solat. Solat is sola. Sola in Cantonese means crazy woman, I think. Sola. Not sure. I don't know no Cantonese. So depressing, Everybody's happy and suddenly there's all this solat or azan or whatever. Is like some retarded person saying some or trying to do karaoke and trying to let the whole world know how bad his singing is. I mean, I think it's time to have clerics who are like not men, women. We need a Britney Spears from the preacher world of the Muslim preacher thing. So at least if you hear a woman's voice going through the speakers of the mosque, at least you can if she has a sweet voice, you will enjoy it more. And if you are into that type of hearing some girl and you masturbate to it, then all the better for you. Definitely. I wish I have a 4K camera from Sony with 5 axis stabilization, so it does not need to. I do not need to put in extra effort in tensing my muscles and also steadying the camera, because that can take a toll on my right hand. I do not want it to be too stiff, because this is the hand that I masturbate with. Shouldn't have said that. And loudly too. Holy fucking shit. Motherfucker. I fucking hate all these types of what you call it? Fireworks. It's just too loud. It's like a gunshot. Oh well. Nothing else to say. I'll just wait for the next fireworks and just come out like an infidel from the hut in Afghanistan or Iraq. Okay. It's not even midnight yet. Everybody is prematurely ejaculating everything out into the sky. Oh, that's a long one, man. Must have cost a pretty penny. Nice. Any more?